Ended up being quite a bit thicker than I thought, so I'll have to trim that back. But you can see that made a pretty nice retaining wall there. I use the rocks basically to keep the base from moving. And I'll just have to trim it back when it cures. But I hope that it's sturdy enough. I have no idea how sturdy this will be. So one thing that will hopefully provide some support is that this side will be filled with a gravel and sand mixture, which will hopefully provide quite a bit of pressure pushing against the substrate. So hoping it'll kind of equalize a little bit and it'll be stable. I can always go back and fill in any holes I see with more foam. So anyway, the next thing I'll be doing is adding a backdrop to the back there. So stay tuned.